Welcome back. Let's get in a corporate conversation right now. We have an InfoEdge update coming in, fourth quarter update. Their billings are up 19%. We'll get in some more details with regards to their, all their verticals, be it the Naukri vertical, be it the real estate vertical, and all the other businesses that the company is doing, including that of Matrimony. Currently, 19% higher billings, something that has the street excited. The stock up around 1% from lows itself, though has taken a bit of a drubbing itself. Speaking about, business tech itself, we have Affle, which is an ad tech platform which helps companies with mobile marketing and other stuff as well. They've held the Affle 3i Summit at BSE, which marks their third decade of business. It's fairly well attended by a lot of investors, HDFC Mutual Fund, you have GIC Singapore, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, all of them. So let's get chatting with the management about what the near future and what the long-term, medium and long-term aspirations of the company are. Anuj Khanna Soham, who is the CMD and CEO, joins in. Anuj, always a pleasure speaking with you. The last 5 years, your revenue has grown by about 5.5 times. EBITDA has grown by about 4 times as well. You have a medium to long-term vision of growing your revenue by 10 times. If you could tell us if there was anything new that was discussed at this summit, and what are your near-term and long-term targets?
Thank you. Today at Affle 3i, we have invoked the power of our third eye intelligence, and we have also unveiled quite a few initiatives that we will be anchoring our growth on for the next decade. We are targeting 10x growth over this decade, which is basically a math of 25% compounded annual growth rate for our revenues. We expect margin expansion. We expect us to do really well at the back of these AI initiatives. Today we unveiled Optics AI, our creatives platform that can power about 1 billion unique hyper-local, hyper-contextual creatives. We also unveiled CTV AI that has the capacity to serve 1 million SMEs around the world, bring them on board with advertising, to try CTV advertising in a performance advertising format for bite-sized ad campaigns. We also unveiled 100 AI agents today for the first time, and that is AI agents that will enhance the authentic, augmented intelligence of Afflers working around the world. We see ourselves attaining 10x growth for the company in this decade ahead, with maybe at max 1,000 Afflers augmented by, and the productivity augmented by the AI intelligent agents working with it. So that's the plan that we unveiled today, and yes, you're right, it was very well attended, and we're pretty happy with the kind of response we've got.
Anuj, good afternoon. Thank you for joining in. So we've laid out these plans for the next decade, but there are some uncertainties that are springing up on the immediate term, and that of course is because of the fact that all of the uncertainties that you're seeing in the global markets. Now 26% of your top line for this year has come from developed markets. What is the reading that you're getting from your clients overseas, particularly in the US as well? What's the reading on the ground that you have right now?
See, two things I'd like to say, when you talk about turbulence, I believe you're talking about tariffs. And advertising is a strictly local business. It is not really anchored. I mean, at least our company, we are registered in the United States. We have an entity there. We have some customers there. It's a very small part of our business, and it's a very small part of the total advertising pie of the US market. So we have a very large addressable market there. We are just scratching the surface of what we can get there. And it is at the moment immune from tariffs at 2 levels. One, there is no import-export involved in doing advertising services. Secondly, tariffs don't cover digital software services at the moment or IP-related charging. And third, most of our IP is in Singapore or in Dubai entity, and when we work with our US entity, they are on the lowest grades of tariffs. So at the moment, we feel that we are navigating that quite well, and the message we are getting from the market at the moment, the pipeline looks robust and strong. So we'll watch it closely, but I think we are quite resilient and well prepared at the moment with our risk management frameworks.
All right, what about the very near term? FY25, if you could give us a sense of where you've ended in terms of growth, because you did have that target growth of around 25% with PAT margins of 17 to 18% in the medium term. If you could define that medium term and how this year has been for you, and what's the immediate target for the next year?
Yeah, so for the last financial year, which ended in March, we'll wait for the earnings call to come up, but we believe that we have exceeded or met any market expectations so far. We are still waiting for the audit results, but we're pretty much on track. I think the performance has been good. I'm pretty happy with the way FY 2025 has ended for us, and we look forward to covering more details once the audit numbers are out and we can talk at the earnings call the next time. Our outlook for FY 26 is also very, very strong. At the moment, we are seeing broad-based growth coming across from all our verticals. A lot of tailwinds in our business. We are seeing a lot of efficiencies coming with AI utilization. Productivity of our workforce is up substantially with the 100 AI agents going live today. So on all these fronts, whether external or internal, at the moment we remain bullish. Of course, we are concerned about the turbulence in the overall markets, and we are not immune from that. But I think fundamentally our business is strong. Our financial fundamentals are strong. Margin position looks intact. Efficiencies of scaling up and scaling up efficiently seems very clear. So I believe we will grow, and we will grow well, and we will also expand our profits more than our revenues in this next coming financial year.
All right, take that point. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Obviously, we'll let you go with the promise that you join us post your fourth quarter numbers and then discuss those quantitative details in a lot more granularity, and we'll obviously press you a little more for FY26 numbers on that as well. Thank you for joining in. With that, we'll take a short break. On the other side, Manisha Gupta joins in with Anindya Banerjee of Kotak Securities on all things commodities.